last week. I was obviously in Birmingham. I filmed the podcast with you on the Friday. So we went our separate ways. He went to work. I went to get my beard done, which still looks pretty decent now, if you ask me. And then after I got that done, I met Bao because we could go to the gym. So we went to the one on Broad Street. Nice. And as we were there, we went at about 3:00, so it wasn't too busy. Now, this gym is structured in the poorest way possible because they've got this like classes zone that should be free weights, and the free weights area should be for classes because the free weights is tiny. And the classes area is massive. So, but it's the gym. That's how they do things. Maybe they just want more people to go to classes because that's how they make their money. I don't know. But me and Bao are in the weights area doing incline bench press. There's a guy behind us who is steadied up, disgustingly steadied up.
Like veiny.
This guy is struggling. Veiny. No, he is struggling, Gar. Like he is.
But is he veiny? Is he veiny?
He's got a bit of a did because he's. No, he's not too veiny, but you could tell he was because he was doing shoulder raises and lateral raises. And as he was doing it, he was making some of the weirdest grunting noises I've ever heard. Now, I don't train with people in the gym much, right? Yeah. Sometimes I meet Bao in the gym, and when we train, we don't use headphones because we're talking to each other, we're catching up. But normally, I'm so now used to going to the gym on my own, I don't hear anything because I've got these in, I can't hear anything. It's noise cancelling. It mutes the majority of the sound. This guy behind us was making horrible noises. He was like, "What? And me and Bao sitting there cringing. I'm like, oh my god, what is this idiot doing? And as he dropped down his number to like 8 or 9, he's with his mate who is PTing him, but is in no shape to be a PT. He's overweight as hell. The guy says, I need to stop. My heart rate's going too fast. And I look at Bao and I think, he's taking way too many roids for his heart to be pumping after that. Surely not.
As in, what you're saying is the level of exertion doesn't correlate with how fast his heart was going. Is that what you meant? He wasn't lifting that heavy.
100%. That is what I'm saying.
Right. Give me some numbers. Let's talk numbers. What was he doing? What dumbbells?
I think it was like 18s in both hands.
It's pretty heavy. Can you do 18s?
It's pretty heavy for sure, but yeah, if you're dropping the weight saying that afterwards because your heart's going too fast and you can't keep it under control. Yeah.
I mean, relative to his size, obviously, I imagine you're saying it's a big guy. So for a big guy, 18 might not be a lot, but I know if I'm doing a power day and I do 18 or 20s, man, that's good going by for shoulder raises. So the noise, what is it about the noise that annoyed you?
Goran, it was excessively loud. It was so loud that everyone in the gym could hear it. He was just, I felt like he was making the sound just a peacock. I don't think he was making that because he was straining. I understand breathing after every single one, but why are you doing that level of sound effects? You know?
So for you, is it more the volume or the fact that somebody makes a sound? So, analogy, somebody's tennis, right? Male, female players, when they hit their shots, you get that noise, right? Does that also, like, is it any noise or the volume of noise is the thing that annoys you?
I feel like it's the volume of his noise. If he toned it down a little bit, fine, I understand. But because he was doing grunt and counting, like a mix of the two, it just sounded odd. Right? I was like, whoa. And I'm thinking, Jesus, man, this guy's trying to be Bane or something. Calm down.
Shit. You think pain is your ally? You think breathing is your ally? I was born without breath. My heart, it will go to 500. And then it will explode.
Oh, God.
He thought he was Bane. I've got that image now. now is not the time for the heart to increase. Oh, God. That's brilliant, man. That's so good.
Exactly it.
You know what you should have done?
That's what I had to share with you.
Next time you see this dude, if you ever see him again, right, when he starts doing it, you put on your best DJ voice and you go the other way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, or d'Italien for the guy who's lifting his on roids.
And there goes his heart rate, ladies and gentlemen. It's through the roof.
Oh my God. I'm ready with my CPR compressions to break his ribs. Yeah. Oh God. That's so funny, man.
The worst thing is I couldn't control my laughter. I really tried to not laugh. And I was thinking, if he catches me laughing, he's probably going to get really upset and angry. But I couldn't help it. I just sat there like doing this, snickering. And I was thinking to myself, really? Like, you can't hold it in? I said, Bal, I don't see this very often.
Okay. But there's another part which I'm thinking here, which is you had no problem or no fear laughing, because if you got into any beef, you got Bal there, man. So I felt you felt you were a bit protected, man. You got big boy Bal, you got the actual Bane with you, because Bal's pretty hench. And so you're like, I'll do what I want, man, because no one's gonna pick on me in it. Had you been on your own,
I don't push that.
thing.
I don't. No. I don't push that. I don't push that ever. The old gym that we used to go to, people didn't know that we were brothers.
Imagine Bal stepping aside like, this guy. I don't know him. I don't know this guy.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. If I talk your way out of this one, son, and I'll be like, "How you getting home, mate? Right, I'm taking you home." So there you go. Unbelievable stuff. I don't play up to it. The fact that he's my brother or that he's there with me. I know a lot of people would do that. But like, you're starting to say, yeah, sort them out. Right.
Sort them out, man.
I wouldn't do that. No.
Yeah. That's right, man. Birmingham massive, innit? Oh man. Also, next time, what you could do, again, if you're feeling particularly funny, and if Bal could actually record you doing it, it'd be even funnier. It's the guy who's doing the strain. Yeah, you should go into that Dragon Ball Z Vegeta mode. Vegeta's thoughts. How is he lifting all these weights, Kakarot? 300 times gravity. Oh my god. Oh shit, man.
So true.
It's too funny.